Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn phonics group 3 letter sounds and their blending words. As you know, in my previous video we have already done 42 letter sounds of English alphabets and that is based on 7 groups. I have already made video on group 1 and group 2 letter sounds and their blending words. But in this video we will learn only group 3 letter sounds and their blending words. The group 3 letters are G, O, U, L, F, B. These are group 3 letters. Now let's learn their sound. As you know, this is the letter G and its sound is G. G. Got. This is the letter O and its sound is O. O. Oil. This is the letter U and its sound is uncle. This is the letter L and its sound is lamb. This is the letter F and its sound is fan. This is the letter B and its sound is bat. Now let's learn group 3 letters blending words. Before we blend these words, a strong understanding of these letter sounds is very important. So now let's repeat again with me. G, O, F, B, A. Now let's learn G sound blending words. G, A, get, gap, gap, peg, dig, tag, tug, grub, plug, gift. Now let's learn O sound blending words. On, hop, got, spot, crop, rot, soft, loft, lost. Now let's look L sound blending words. At, let, ought, lot, list, glad, melt, help, milk, held, left. Now let's learn F sound blending words. It, fit, lift, fun, flag, at, flat, at, fat, elf, fish. This is digraph. The combination of two letters is known as digraph. When S and H comes together in a word, we will just say sh, fish, t, loft. Now let's look B sound blending words. B, a, g, bag. B, a, t, bat. B, a, s, bus. K, a, b, club. G, a, b, grab. B, a, k, black. B, a, k, block. B, k, brick. B, bump. Now let's learn A sound blending words. S, n, sun. The sound of U is A. S, n, sun. D, g, dug. H, g, hug. N, t, nut. P, pump. K, t, cut. P, g, plug. K, b, club. Must. So these are all group 3 letter sounds and their blending words. G, A, F, B, A. Now watch this video again and try to remember these letter sounds because these letter sounds are very important to blend these words. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.